Welcome all to another exciting episode of DIY electronics repair. Today I show the measurement of the Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner motor. The vacuum cleaner you will see in the video works without any problems. You can use the measurements as a reference to repair your own vacuum cleaner. If you have questions or would like more detailed information on certain topics, you can leave a comment below. Before starting the measurement of the motor, I would like to point out that this motor works solidly and smoothly. I make these measurements for your reference. I plug in the test leads of the multimeter and set the multimeter to 200 ohm resistance measurement level. As you can see, I am measuring 0 ohms. According to this measurement, is the motor faulty or the electronic circuit board? I disassemble the electric motor from the circuit board. I apply flux to the soldering points to facilitate the disassembly process. Then, I resolder the terminals I will remove. A coating is made on the circuit board. I clean this coating before soldering. I desolder the motor leads using a solder sucker pump. After removing the solders, I remove the circuit board from the motor. Now, I measure the resistance of the motor connection on the circuit board. I measure approximately 1 mega ohm of resistance. There is no short circuit on the circuit board. Now, I will measure the electric motor. You can buy this multimeter from AliExpress Venlab store. You can also check out other multimeter types at AliExpress Venlab store. I remove the electric motor. The motor has two connection points. These terminals are connected to the circuit board. When I examine the motor, it is a motor with a small number of windings and wrapped with thick wires. This type of motors work with a pulse signal. Therefore, do not apply electricity directly to the motor. I measure the windings of the motor. A value less than 0 ohms. When you see this value, do not think that the motor is faulty. This is a solid motor. Since the motor has a small number of windings, it has low resistance. I put the motor of the Dyson vacuum cleaner back into place and attach the circuit board to the motor. Be careful not to damage the flex cable when installing the motor. After placing the gasket in place, I gently press the motor into place. Then I install the circuit board onto the motor. I apply flux to the surfaces to be soldered. I prepared this video to be a reference for you in case of such malfunctions. The vacuum cleaner you see in the video works without any problems. You can measure the motor of your vacuum cleaner by applying the measurements you see in the video to your own vacuum cleaner. Finally, I clean the surface I soldered using isopropyl alcohol. If you found this video informative, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting technology content. If you have questions or would like more detailed information on certain topics, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for your interest.